Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So you need to just follow my screen, don't miss any steps, and we will fix this issue together. So in the first step we need to open settings. For that you can just right click on the start icon and you will get the setting option here, or else you can just search for it, type settings here and click on the settings from the search results. Once we are here, we need to just click on these three dots and select system, and in the system you may need to click on display option, then just scroll down and find out the graphics option. So again click on it. Once we are here, from the add an app, select this desktop app and click on browse button. Once we are here, we need to just go to this PC and then go to C drive, then go for program files, and from here select OBS Studio folder, just open it and go to the bin file, and you can open 64-bit or you can 32-bit folder. You'll get one folder here, just open it and select OBS 64. Select the OBS application file and click on add. Once we are here, so it will add. So I have already added this, so just go to OBS Studio, click on options and make sure we have to select the high performance option, then click on save and close this window. Again go to search bar, search for OBS and open it. Okay, existent scene, you can add a new, you can add a display capture, click on OK and simply make sure you have to check this option, the eye option, and check it. And if this window is not rightly fixed to the main screen, then you can right click on it, select transform and select fit to screen. You can see the changes, and with this way you can fix this issue. Now restart the system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out the pin command to fix this issue quickly and effectively. So that's it guys, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe.